afternoon, Natasha. Thank you very much for coming to our event today, our Market Day event. How do you think Emaar Community Management has managed the community so far?
Well, I think that they have been doing an absolutely excellent job. I have been part of this community, this beautiful community for the past 5.5 years, having bought an Alvarado here, off plan. And all I can say is that I would find it very, very difficult to find something at this level in, I think, any other part of the world. And I think based on that, Emaar has really put out a great day today, and in general, the overall community feel that it has over here is something quite exceptional and beyond words, really.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How would you rate the upkeep of the community, the team that works here, the staff that clean and everything around the community over here?
Always extremely professional. Everything that you see, the roads are always dusted. Even after a shamal, you don't realize that there was a shamal. And I think that goes to show that right from, the little person who's sweeping the floors or right all the way up to the top, it goes to show how much the management has invested in its team. And I think for every single team member, yourselves and everything that you've put out, over the years, it just has encouraged and grown this whole community. And, anywhere, all I can say is on a personal level that Emaar for us is really, a huge market contender where communities go. And we have been extremely happy with Emaar.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind
My
words.
pleasure.
Do you think organizing this event or organizing similar kind of events are a good initiative by Emaar Community Management?
Absolutely. It gives it a real community feel. Everybody has a link with, whether you're staying in an Alma or an Al Reem or an Alvarado or a Savannah or a Sahil, it doesn't matter because you come all the way through, and it's not that you're in an individualized, area, because with this type of community feeling, you all come together, you all enjoy this community day, and I think all of us look forward to many more days like this, put on by Emaar, and we do appreciate it. I do as a resident, and I'd like to say thank you on behalf of me and my family. Yes.
Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful afternoon here.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Have
much.
a good day.
Thank you.